When I go out to feed and lord over my chickens, I notice that as I go through this gate during dusk or at nighttime, it's a little hard and I'm tripping over all sorts of things until now. Look at this nice little light that goes right on top of my fence post. Now there is the pre-installed version right there, and I'm going to show you what it looks like on this 4x4. I have not removed any of the shims out of here. And look at that, it fits absolutely perfectly on top of there, nice and snug. And so eventually I'm going to get this screw, I'm going to pop it in one side, and then there's another one on the other side. Now, one of the benefits to these lights is not only lighting this up, but one benefit I didn't realize is if you look over at our neighbor's fence, and they have a very nice cedar fence, that's gorgeous, but they already have a cap on top of their 4x4 post. If you have something like that, that's great here in the Pacific Northwest, because otherwise you're going to get all of the rain and sleet and weather directly down on top of the post, and it's just eventually going to rot. You don't want to leave that exposed. That is a point of failure for your fence. Everything from there down can pretty much last a really long time, but that is where you get the weather. So if you can cover that up somehow, and the benefit of this solar light is it does just that. One quick tip when it comes to installing these guys. Now, if in fact it does not fit natively on top, so let me give you an example. See the top of that post right there? It's pretty much cut off flush, so there's nothing really for this to mount on top of. So the plastic I found is actually malleable enough that you can get a drill bit like this and just drill straight down and create your own pilot holes. So this can fit on pretty much anything. Even if you don't have a perfect 4x4 cap, it'll fit even on a flat surface.